Here's a fully rephrased version of your script in over 200 words that will comfortably take more than a minute to read aloud. Having a swimming pool in your backyard is something many people dream of, offering a perfect place to relax, unwind, and have fun with family and friends. But the one downside of owning a pool is the constant cleaning it requires, a chore that is often tedious, time-consuming, and messy. That's where Aper's Seagull Pro Pool Robot steps in to completely transform pool maintenance. This isn't just any pool cleaner. It's a sophisticated, smart machine designed to tackle the dirty work automatically, giving pool owners more time to enjoy their water rather than scrubbing it. Unlike earlier models that could only clean the bottom, the Seagull Pro can climb walls and scrub every inch of your pool, ensuring no debris, dirt, or algae is left behind. The Seagull Pro represents a major upgrade from previous versions, including the Seagull SC, offering far greater capacity and efficiency. It can handle pools up to 3,200 square feet, which is nearly 4 times larger than the older SE model, and it can work independently for up to 3 hours on a single charge. Its intelligent navigation allows it to move seamlessly across floors and walls, making sure the pool is cleaned thoroughly and evenly. Just as robot vacuums revolutionized home cleaning, the Seagull Pro brings a new level of convenience to pool maintenance, fully automating a chore that used to take hours of manual effort. With this advanced robot, keeping a sparkling, hygienic pool is no longer a burden. It's a glimpse into how technology is making everyday life easier, allowing homeowners to enjoy the benefits of a clean, inviting pool without lifting a finger. If you want, I can also make an even punchier, more dynamic version suitable for a video voiceover that flows naturally and keeps viewers engaged. Do you want me to do that next? Absolutely. Here's your script fully rephrased and expanded to over 200 words, suitable for a narration of more than a minute. Imagine a future where traveling to space begins not with traditional rockets shooting off the ground, but with enormous airships floating silently high above the Earth. Instead of relying on explosive fuel launches and polluting emissions, these futuristic vehicles offer a much cleaner, safer, and more efficient way to reach the edge of space. Companies like JP Aerospace are leading this revolutionary approach, developing solar-powered airships that can ascend to altitudes of around 55 kilometers. From that height, they can carry smaller rockets or essential cargo to a dark sky station, launching into orbit from a much thinner atmosphere. This method promises to drastically reduce costs while minimizing the environmental footprint of space travel. NASA is also exploring similar airship concepts, envisioning missions not only to Earth's orbit, but even to planets like Venus. Early prototypes, such as Pathfinder 1 and Solar Airship 1, have already demonstrated that long, eco-friendly flights are possible here on our planet, proving that these ambitious ideas are practical and achievable. With designs that focus on vertical takeoff, zero emissions, and solar power, these futuristic airships could transform the way humanity reaches space. They offer the potential to make space travel routine, sustainable, and accessible, opening up a new era of exploration where journeys to the stars are cleaner, safer, and far more affordable than ever before. If you want, I can also make a version that includes the Aubot X2 humanoid part in the same flowing narration, so it's ready to record. Do you want me to do that? The Arc Aero Systems Lynx P9 is an extraordinary hybrid electric aircraft that promises to completely transform the way we think about regional air travel. Designed to combine the best features of both helicopters and airplanes, it is capable of vertical takeoffs and landings, allowing it to operate in areas with limited space, while also achieving high-speed cruising at up to 370 kilometers per hour. This remarkable aircraft can cover distances of up to 1,300 kilometers, making it an ideal solution for efficiently connecting cities and regions without the need for traditional airports. The Lynx P9 can comfortably seat 9 passengers or carry an equivalent amount of cargo, providing a versatile and practical alternative to conventional helicopters, all while significantly reducing operating costs by around 40% and extending its range by 30%. Its lightweight carbon fiber construction, coupled with advanced distributed electric propulsion, ensures not only efficiency, but also quiet, smooth, and reliable performance. Safety has been a priority in its design, with multiple innovative features built in to protect passengers and cargo during every flight. Production of the Lynx P9 is scheduled for 2028, and strong interest is already evident with early orders being placed. By combining speed, flexibility, sustainability, and cost-effectiveness, this aircraft represents a new era in regional aviation. It is a glimpse into the future of air transport, where travel is faster, greener, safer, and more adaptable than ever before, redefining what is possible for both passengers and cargo in medium-range air travel. If you want, I can refine it further to naturally stretch the script for 1 minute 30 seconds to 2 minutes when spoken, keeping it fully engaging. Do you want me to do that? Here is your full rewritten script, more than 200 words, more than 1 minute, no headings, fully refined and rephrased. The Atlas Nest docking system is transforming the way airports approach safety and security by introducing a highly advanced drone-based monitoring network. Imagine an airport environment where drones are not just tools, but active guardians in the sky, constantly observing, scanning, and responding to anything that might threaten smooth operations. This system creates that reality. Atlas Nest works as a central station where drones can automatically charge, undergo maintenance checks, and prepare for deployment without requiring manual intervention. This allows them to stay ready at all times, ensuring uninterrupted aerial support around the airport perimeter and within critical zones. With this innovative setup, drones become a powerful extension of airport security teams. They can monitor large areas far faster than ground patrols, stream real-time video back to command centers, and provide instant situational awareness during emergencies. Whether it is identifying unauthorized activity, surveying runways for hazards, or assisting emergency responders in locating an incident, their rapid mobility makes them an invaluable asset. This level of automation not only increases efficiency, but also reduces human risk in high-sensitivity zones. Atlas Nest represents the future of aviation safety, where intelligent drone systems work continuously to strengthen airport operations. By combining proactive surveillance, automated support, and rapid response capabilities, it sets a new standard for securing the skies and ensuring a more reliable and adaptive safety infrastructure for airports worldwide. The CV-90 Armadillo, developed by BAE Systems Hägglunds, is a highly versatile and robust armored vehicle designed to perform a wide variety of roles on the modern battlefield. It is engineered to carry soldiers safely while providing a mobile platform for command and control, allowing leaders to coordinate operations directly from the field. Beyond troop transport, it is capable of delivering critical supplies, rescuing injured personnel, and even assisting in the recovery of other vehicles, making it an invaluable asset in complex operations. Its design emphasizes flexibility, enabling it to quickly reconfigure for different missions depending on the requirements at hand. Crew safety is a top priority, with heavy armor protection that shields against multiple types of threats, ranging from small arms fire to more substantial explosive attacks. The CV-90 Armadillo is powered by a robust Scania D16 engine, which allows it to navigate difficult terrain with ease, maintaining mobility even in challenging environments. Certain models are additionally equipped with a mounted machine gun, providing extra firepower when needed. BAE Systems continues to enhance the vehicle, exploring upgrades that include advanced sensors, automated defensive systems, and integration with small drones to improve situational awareness and operational efficiency. Overall, the CV-90 Armadillo stands out as a highly adaptable, well-protected, and mission-ready platform capable of fulfilling numerous critical roles for modern military forces, ensuring both effectiveness and survivability in demanding combat scenarios. If you want, I can also make it sound more like a natural narration for a voiceover that flows smoothly for over a minute. Do you want me to do that? Here is your complete script. Edible and biodegradable food packaging is rapidly becoming one of the most innovative solutions in the global effort to reduce environmental harm caused by traditional plastic materials. Today, scientists and companies around the world are developing packaging that not only protects food effectively, but also disappears naturally or can even be eaten after use. Imagine opening a product and knowing that its wrapper is made from ingredients like starch, proteins, seaweed, or plant fibers. materials that return to the earth without leaving behind pollution. This new generation of packaging includes everything from thin edible films to containers formed from mushrooms, palm leaves, beeswax, and other natural resources. In many places, edible cutlery made from grains and cornstarch-based polymers is offering a meaningful alternative to single-use plastic spoons, forks, and plates. Algae-based materials are showing how renewable resources can transform the packaging industry with solutions that are strong, safe, and fully biodegradable. These technologies are not just concepts, they are being tested and adopted to reduce waste and support a more sustainable future. As the world demands greener choices, edible and biodegradable packaging stands at the front of environmental innovation. It represents a powerful shift toward responsible consumption, where the products we use every day work in harmony with nature. This exciting movement brings us closer to a future where convenience and sustainability coexist, and where packaging itself becomes a natural part of the ecosystem rather than a long-term burden on the planet. The Zapata Flyboard Air is a truly groundbreaking innovation that is redefining what personal flight can look like. Created by the inventive French engineer Frankie Zapata and his team at Zapata Industries, this revolutionary hoverboard allows a person to take off from the ground and soar through the air with incredible speed and agility. Unlike conventional aircraft, the Flyboard Air is powered by multiple jet turbine engines and equipped with advanced stabilization systems, giving flyers precise control while navigating the skies. Watching someone maneuver it is almost like seeing a superhero in action, as it can reach impressive altitudes and achieve thrilling velocities that were previously unimaginable for a single-person device. Over the years, videos of the Flyboard Air in action have gone viral, capturing the attention and fascination of audiences all over the world, inspiring dreams of personal aerial travel, and highlighting the potential of next-level flight technology. Despite its breathtaking capabilities, the Flyboard Air remains largely experimental due to strict safety regulations and practical limitations, meaning it is not yet a widely accessible mode of transportation. Nevertheless, its existence is a bold statement about the future of human mobility, offering a tantalizing glimpse into what personal flight might become. It combines engineering innovation, daring design, and the spirit of adventure, showing that the dream of flying like a bird may not be as far off as once imagined. With each demonstration, the Flyboard Air pushes the boundaries of what is possible, opening doors to new forms of exploration and entertainment in the air, and marking a remarkable step forward in the evolution of personal aviation technology. Dive into an extraordinary journey beneath the waves, where the mission to restore coral reefs is bringing renewed hope to some of the ocean's most delicate and vital ecosystems. These underwater worlds, often threatened by climate change, pollution, and human activity, are at the forefront of a remarkable conservation effort. Across the globe, marine scientists and conservationists are dedicating their expertise and passion to reviving coral habitats that once teemed with life. From carefully nurtured coral nurseries, where resilient species are cultivated with precision and care, to advanced transplantation techniques that ensure the survival and growth of fragile coral structures, every step represents a commitment to preserving marine biodiversity. Innovative technology is playing a critical role in this endeavor, providing tools to monitor reef health, combat coral bleaching, and restore ecosystems more effectively than ever before. Collaborative projects unite researchers, local communities, and environmental organizations, forming a network of shared knowledge and resources dedicated to the ocean's revival. Each successful restoration not only revitalizes marine life, but also strengthens the intricate balance of oceanic ecosystems, demonstrating the profound impact of human ingenuity aligned with environmental stewardship. This inspiring narrative of coral restoration offers a beacon of hope, reminding us that even in the face of mounting ecological challenges, determination, innovation, and collaboration can foster a brighter future. As we witness these efforts, we are invited to join a movement that celebrates the beauty, resilience, and irreplaceable value of our underwater worlds, ensuring that coral reefs continue to flourish for generations to come. This version is over 200 words and would take more than 1 minute to read aloud. If you want, I can also make an even more cinematic storytelling version that feels like a narrated documentary script. Do you want me to do that? Saudi Arabia is ushering in a new era of luxury travel with its very first luxury train, known as the Dream of the Desert. This extraordinary project is the result of a collaboration between Saudi Arabia Railways and the Italian design group Arcil, bringing together world-class engineering and exquisite design. The train is set to travel along an 800-mile route, stretching from Riyadh all the way to Al Lula, near the Jordanian border, offering passengers a chance to explore the stunning landscapes and rich cultural history of Saudi Arabia in complete comfort. Throughout the journey, travelers will be able to enjoy carefully curated excursions at some of the country's most remarkable stops, including Al Qasim, Hale, and Al Jaf. Each stop is designed to provide an immersive cultural experience, highlighting the unique heritage, architecture, and traditions of the region. On board, the Dream of the Desert will feature 40 luxury cabins, each blending cutting-edge technology with traditional Saudi design elements. The interiors are adorned with intricate motifs and craftsmanship that reflect the kingdom's rich artistic heritage, creating a travel experience that is both modern and deeply rooted in culture. While the official launch date has not been confirmed, the train is expected to begin operations in 2025, with reservations opening later this year. This initiative is more than just a new mode of transportation. It is a bold step toward redefining luxury tourism in Saudi Arabia, emphasizing slow, experiential travel that allows passengers to fully engage with the country's beauty and history. The Dream of the Desert promises not only a journey across miles of breathtaking desert landscapes, but also an unforgettable experience of comfort, culture, and elegance that truly celebrates the essence of Saudi Arabia. This luxurious train aims to transform the way travelers experience the kingdom, offering a rare combination of opulence, heritage, and adventure that will leave a lasting impression on all who embark upon it. If you want, I can also make an even more polished version, strictly timed to a 1.5-minute spoken narration for maximum impact. Do you want me to do that? Got it. Here's a fully rephrased version of your Virgin Galactic script, expanded to over 200 words and designed to take more than a minute to read aloud. Virgin Galactic is transforming the very idea of space travel by making it accessible to civilians and redefining how humans experience the universe. Founded by the renowned entrepreneur Sir Richard Branson, the company has developed the revolutionary Spaceship Two, a suborbital spacecraft specifically designed to carry passengers beyond Earth's atmosphere. On board these flights, travelers experience the incredible sensation of weightlessness for several minutes while enjoying unmatched panoramic views of our planet, something that has been a dream for ordinary people for generations. The spacecraft is initially carried to high altitudes by a specially designed mothership, which then releases it so that its rocket motor can ignite, propelling passengers on a safe, controlled, and awe-inspiring journey into near space. Virgin Galactic is not just focused on tourism, it is also at the cutting edge of aerospace innovation. The company is inspiring new generations of engineers and scientists, advancing research and demonstrating the possibilities of human spaceflight beyond the traditional astronaut community. By allowing civilians to journey beyond the sky, Virgin Galactic is opening the door to a future where space is no longer unreachable, where exploring the cosmos could become a real, tangible experience for everyday people. Looking to the future, innovations such as the next-generation Aurora X-65 spacecraft promise to further enhance safety, performance, and the overall experience of spaceflight. With these advancements, Virgin Galactic continues to redefine exploration, pushing humanity closer to a time when space is a place everyone can dream of visiting. If you want, I can also make an even more dramatic storytelling-style version that really keeps listeners engaged for over a minute, almost like a narration. Do you want me to do that?